Good morning, or shall I say good night, because it is like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. But I almost forgot, but I just got a new haunted doll in the mail today. And before I open her, I want to share her story with you guys. So before I open her, I want to share a little bit about her that I learned from buying her. So she is, hold on. So the person I got them from said that they are paranormal investigators. They are also a witch. They help the haunted and spirit items to find a good home. And this is Wendy. Wendy is a 17-year-old and she's full of energy. She told her that she got killed in a car accident one night when her boyfriend was driving her home after he had been drinking. She now needs a good home. She had so many hopes and dreams for her future, but is adapting well. She called herself a witch and had been studying all the books that she could to find on witchcraft, herbs, crystals, etc. Since she was 14, she was taking herbal classes online and she was going to get her certificate. How do you say that word?
Certification.
Thank you. Okay. Witchcraft, herbs, crystals, etc. since she was 14. She was taking herbal classes online, which was going to get her certification soon. She had planned on leading classes and teaching others how to make herbal remedies for every health problem, and also what herbs to use for casting spells for different needs. She's very intuitive and creative. She loves following the moon phases. She loves sitting under a full moon, soaking in its energy. She loves meditating. She likes getting out in nature, hiking and foraging in the woods. It sounds just like me, huh? For her plants, herbs, mushrooms, and other natural foods. She loves all animals except spiders, bugs, and snakes. She's an amazing young woman who will make a good friend and companion. She has seen her turn her head to look at her. She says she's even seen her eyes follow her. She's felt her strong energy around her home. And she's also heard her footsteps roaming around their home. She said that they also... Wait. I don't know. She said that they've also caught her flicking on and off the lights and flashlights. They've seen her orbs. She's opened and closed doors, knocked on her doors and windows. She has communicated with us so far: telepathy, dowsy rods, pendulums, dreams, making noises, and a couple of EVPs. She is here waiting for me. The doll is a Vinci Chrissy doll in 1969. She's 18 inches high. And then that's all I'm going to tell you, because the rest is spoilers of what she looks like. But guys, let's get ready to meet her. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Let's meet Wendy. And she has already been active. She is ready to come out of this box. I said, Wendy, can I open you tomorrow? Is it okay if I wait until tomorrow to open it? She said, no, ma'am. think I need a little help. Do you have a knife? I got it. I got it. She's opened. Alright guys, you ready? Y'all get the first look. Hopefully I open her on the right side. Let's see. It's gonna be this way. I just saw her legs. Okay, ready? I think she's backwards. Yeah, she is backwards. This is her. This is Wendy, you guys. And the lighting's not doing justice. 1 second. Okay. Alright, had to bring the flashlight out on my phone, but this is her. This is Wendy. And Wendy is now going to be placed. Did they not give me her stand? They didn't give me Wendy's stand.
Maybe they just use it for display.
But Wendy will go right here. Okay. Beside Kenshin and Ezekiel, which you can't really see Ezekiel. There we go. There's Ezekiel. So we got Ezekiel, Wendy, and Kenshin. Okay, let's see here. Okay, you guys, you see it stopped? There we go. Okay. So she already knows how to work it. If it goes blue, that means temperature change. Can you make it turn off? What about all the way? Can you like make it stop ringing? She turned it to green like a yeah. You saw that? Alright, I'm gonna... Okay. Did you get upset that I left you in the box too long? Yeah? I'm sorry. Well, I just want to let you know that you are welcome here. And again, my name is Aaliyah, or you can call me Alex. And you're welcome here. And feel free, Kenshin, Charlie, Alia, Victoria, everybody here will help you get comfortable. Yeah. I think you'll really, really like it here. I know I'm gonna let you settle in and so that you can get fully comfortable. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna reset it real quick again. You don't want it reset? Okay. This isn't me, guys, because I'm too like far away for it to be detected. Now if I go right here, that's my hand. If you could tell, that's my hand. See? Now we got the ambulance noise again. Alright, let's restart it. Okay. What should I ask?
I don't know, where's your ghost box at?
on my phone that I'm using the flashlight for.
Does your ring thing work? Or your,
It's fine. We did just get some tapping. I have this app here, and you can use it and just talk through it. I'm also recording just to let you know, so that if you do say something or you do show yourself or whatever and I don't get to hear it, or you say something to me and I miss it, then that gives me a chance to look back on it and to be able to hear you and understand you, so that we can also communicate better. For For confirmation, can you tell us your name? You heard that? It said Wendy. What do you think so far? Do you think you'll like it here? Can you give me a candle, please? A white candle. I think there's one in the kitchen. Guys, if you hear the TV, I'm sorry. Len went out the door and he left the door open. Can you make that turn off? Wendy, is there anything you would like to tell me before I let you go and be able to get comfortable in your spot? Every time I turn it off, she turns it back on. Okay, so guys, I am about to light a candle and get her all settled in. I hope you guys enjoyed her story, and I can't wait for the future, what it has in hold for her, and you guys will definitely see more of her, of course. So say, hey Wendy, in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and much love.